Hey everybody, it's Joel Wasserman with Waterman Customs TV. Today I'm going to be reviewing with you, I nailed the rocks. I surfed onto dry reef on accident, Ocean Beach, south side of the pier, and I ruptured my fin boxes. Okay, so as you can see, there's the outside fiberglass from this V-patch, very common for like fishtails to give extra holding power for the boxes, because there's a lot of torque that's put onto these boxes, and if they're not glassed real heavily like these ones were, you'll rip them out when you're doing a turn. I got a friend that did a floater on a lightly glassed board one time, just blew the whole fin box out. But this, you know, for running into dry reef on a wave, this is actually pretty minor damage, which is why I'm going to show you this repair technique today. I'm going to show you a repair technique that involves, instead of, because if you notice, about 75% of the fin box is still intact, but the last 25% is compromised. So instead of removing the entire fin box, what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you how to cut the dead glass out around here. And what I'm actually going to do is I'm probably going to cut a portion of the tail end of the box out as well. And then I'm going to let the board dry. And then once it's dry, I'm going to come back. I'm going to use filler in this area, the tail end of the box. And then we're going to go ahead, we're going to re-glass just that aft end so that you can save time and money. Honestly, I had to sleep on this. I wasn't sure if I was just going to take it in and have it professionally done at Nick's Surfboard Repair, or if I was just going to do it myself. And I decided, you know what, I don't mind doing this one. It's not going to create too much of a mess, and I truly believe that majority of the box is still okay, and it doesn't really need to be pulled out, extracted, and put back in, which is professional level repair. And that's something I would definitely recommend taking it into a shop to have done if you don't feel comfortable with doing it yourself, or if you just don't have the space like me and you don't want to make a mess and upset your neighbors all at the same time. Alrighty, so here we go. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the fin. Bada bing, bada boom. Oh, real important too is I learned this back in the day. It's the old push and give test. So a lot of times you can push down on the box and see if it's giving, to find out how much play is in the back end, because how much play is in there is going to determine how much water it's taking in and how much of a cavity there is under the box, so how compromised the box could possibly be, right? Gonna cut this dead glass away here. I got this little poker, little Pokemon. I'm gonna get in there. See, cause that's all dead. No bueno. Now, kind of see how much movement we got. Yeah, it doesn't even need to be pulled out. I can just fill this and glass back over it. That's going to be fun. Then we got this one over here. Look. this one's got a little bit of play. So how I'm gonna fix that is I'm actually gonna take a drill. I'm gonna drill some holes in here. And then what I'm gonna do is I'll put filler in there and then fill in glass. Call it a day. Okay, so this is all your dead cloth. Like I said, I probably could have continued to surf it the way it was, but I don't want to take the board out on a big day and sacrifice an entire session when I blow a fin out, nor do I want to lose my fin. So that's the reason behind the madness here and why I'm doing this. But also, if this one's giving, it's giving a little bit, that means that the filler in the bottom is cracked. So I'm going to penetrate that, put some fresh filler in there, glass over it, and then the next day I surf this board on a big wave, I can drop in and not worry about it.